You start think about one time when we've been stopped on by. Time when we've been first come to Vanuatu. We've been stopped with one friend, Brumi. We've been meeting one family where we've been wanting to go make them garden, olgeta, on top of a big far hill, on by. We've been look say, man, buy me a good tumas, come save something here. From the US, and me different tumas. Time when me for make them garden, me for olgeta small tumas. Belo Vanuatu, man. Olgeta big way big. Me for been caramel get the bush knife me for after me with them friend me. He been walk about to go on top of the big fella hill here. After time we me for been casting place where family been telling man me for say I will get to make him garden me for. Me for been caramel get the bush knife me for after me for start killing more grass here. More start cut them down or get to something, savvy make him garden. More maybe look say, man, have me one big fella work here. Me no even savvy say, get the man no Vanuatu start work hard also. More even teaching me one good fella something. Say, man, hard work I mean good. But look at him good fella kai. More me even look say, man, I'm here tough to us. After me been helping family, yeah, me been look him say, man, Vanuatu is strong to us from get this taem go make him garden every day. More get the all time got kakai from get the got garden, get the. Well, we've been look say me a tough to mas. We've been like him something, yeah. From the US, we'll get the place here awesome. But you must pay him kakaya, pay lo Vanuatu by. Suppose you stop at the island, but you saw go look garden, look at him kakaya. Well, but you saw kakai good one time, no night. Well, maybe look say Emily number one time.